Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is a simple process that can be done in a few easy steps. So today I will walk you through the process provided by the Google. And if you don't have a Google account, visit the Google sign up page to create one. I will explain you how to create a Google account in a separate video. And if you have a Google account, visit the sign in page and log in with your Gmail account and password. So let me show you. So here you need to enter google.com, and here also in bottom you can see create an account. So just I mentioned that I will explain how to create an account in a separate video. So here let me just log in with my Gmail account. So while entering the Gmail, you just need to click on next, and here it's asking like that the password. Like here you can see it's asking enter your password. So let me just enter my password. So now here you can see we have logged in successfully. So for creating a YouTube channel, so we need to visit youtube.com. So let me just enter youtube.com. So here you can see clicking on the profile icon. So there is that the option create a channel. So if I'm going to create a channel, so here you can see there is that the three options. So here you can see name and handle is automatically populated as your Gmail name. So it's picking name from Gmail. So you can change here, and also you can select a picture. So like if you want to change that the picture, so you can select any picture in your device or any cloud. So let me just select this one. So here it's asking like some editing for the profile pic. So I'm not going to edit the profile pic, I'm just selecting that one. Here you can see it's done now, and let me just enter that the name. So here let me just enter dummy name. So here I'm going to enter John. So here you can enter your name. So as you do so, you will notice that YouTube automatically generated a handle for you. This is because the handle need to be unique. So YouTube adds some random keyword to ensure it does not overlap with others. So here you can see they have appended some random keywords. So let me just show you. Like if I'm going to enter, here you can see by default it's showing that one. If I'm going to enter Rakesh, so here you can see, so Rakesh hyphen, they have added some random number. So it's added because the handle need to be unique. So YouTube added some random keyword to ensure it does not overlap with others users. So here we'll find that here you can see that the create channel button. So once you click on it, your channel will be created successfully. So let me just create on that. So currently channel, let me just enter that the channel name dummy. You can rename it after that. So if I'm going to click on here, so here you can see your dummy channel is created now. So here YouTube has provided create a content on any device, upload and record at home or and that. So you can create any content for that. And here you can see, here you can also upload your profile pic, and clicking on that the customize channel. So here it's redirected on the YouTube studio. So here you can see profile and home tab. So in profile tab you can upload your banner image and also your profile pic, change that. And here you can change that as I mentioned earlier, you can rename your name here. So I am going to enter social media. Here you can see, and you can also change your so here you can see there is that option, like YouTube mentioned that you can change your handle back within 14 days. Handle can be changed twice every 14 days. And here you can enter your description, so we can do it later, all that thing. So like and if you want to like you can, if you want to upload any logo or anything, like it will be appear your video, so you can upload from here. So here you can see there is that option. So image like logo should be 150 into 150 pixel.